Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we'll cover 5 basics every beginner should know in C# with simple examples. Whether you're a student or just starting programming, these will help you build a strong foundation. First, variables. A variable is like a container that stores information. For example, here we have an integer called age and a string called name. When we run the program, it prints, Tyemba is 30 years old. Second, data types. C# has different data types for different kinds of values. Integers for whole numbers, doubles for decimals, booleans for true or false, characters for single letters, and strings for text. Choosing the right type is very important. Third, if-else statements. These allow your program to make decisions. In this example, if marks are greater than or equal to 50, it prints, you passed. Otherwise, it prints, try again. Fourth, loops. A loop runs code repeatedly. Here, the for loop starts at 1 and goes up to 5, printing each number. This is useful for repeating tasks without writing the same code many times. Finally, functions. A function is a block of code you can reuse. This function adds 2 numbers and returns the result. When we call it with 5 and 7, it gives us 12. And that's it. You just learned 5 basics of C#. Variables, data types, if-else, loops, and functions. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be writing real programs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment with the next topic you'd like to learn. For any academic assistance, feel free to connect with us through Facebook or WhatsApp.